Before you hit that boost post button on your Facebook page, let's take a minute to talk about why it's actually a waste of money in most cases, and we'll look at what the better alternative is, because that's the good news. There's a much better way to promote your Facebook posts than by pressing that boost button. And it's just as quick, it's just as easy, but the good thing about it is it's more cost effective. It's going to do a better job of getting you the results that you're actually looking for when you spend money promoting your Facebook posts. So before we do that, let's talk about why the boost post button isn't the best way to spend your Facebook ad dollars. And the main reason is because when you set up a boosted post, it doesn't actually allow you to choose from all of the available objectives that the standard Facebook ad manager gives you. So the objective is really, really important, because the objective is how you tell Facebook what you actually want to achieve with your ad spend. You're spending money and you're telling Facebook, in return for this money I'm giving you, this is what I want. That could be something like website traffic. It could be email subscribers. It could be engagement on the post, video views. There's a whole list of things that you can choose from for your objectives. But as we can see here, when we click the boost post button, it's going to say objective automatic, and that's going to be the default option, meaning Facebook will automatically choose an objective for you. Now, how Facebook could possibly know what you want from your ad spend, I don't know, but they claim to know that. So most people, when they click boost, are going to leave the objective on automatic. And I can tell you right now, that's going to waste money for most people. Even if we click change and we try to set the objective manually ourselves, if you look at this post that I'm doing it on here, it only gives me two options: get more people to watch my video, or reach people likely to buy from you and track sales. And that's going to be some kind of website purchase conversion objective by the look of this. It's not even letting me choose my conversion objective, meaning I can't tell it, well, I don't want purchases, I want email subscribers, or I want some other objective. So it's super, super limited. What if I just wanted website traffic? So this post that I've selected was actually a YouTube video that I shared on my Facebook page. If I wanted to drive clicks to my YouTube page and for people to watch the YouTube video, that's not an option here. And so if that's what I wanted and I chose boost post, I wouldn't be able to actually tell Facebook what I wanted, and therefore I wouldn't be able to get the results that I was actually looking for. So that's the first and the main reason why it's not as effective. If we keep scrolling down, you can see we've got the targeting section here, where I can choose my audience. The problem here is, again, it's really limited. It gives me a bunch of suggested options here, but I can't do things like selecting custom audiences and particular lookalikes, or create those new custom audiences lookalikes. For example, if I wanted to target people who've engaged with my Facebook page or my Instagram account, or visited my website in the last 6 months, and exclude my customers and create a nice little targeting setup like that, I just can't do it from the boost post screen. That's a really common setup, by the way. That's not something obscure and unique. If it's something I wanted to do, however, I just can't do it from here. If we keep going down, you can see we've got automatic placements is selected, but if I only wanted to run on particular placements, again, I can't really do that here. I can choose Facebook or Messenger, but within those two massive pieces of the Facebook and Instagram and Messenger ecosystem, there are lots of different placements, like right column, like desktop. There's the Instagram feed that's not an option here. There are things like Facebook search and other different placement options in there. I can't choose that, though. I can just tick, or in this case, I can't even uncheck Facebook. I can just choose Messenger or no Messenger. If we keep going down, duration and budget. The thing I can't choose here is a daily budget. I have to choose a lifetime budget and set it over a period of days. Again, you can do that using this other method that I'm going to show you shortly. You can choose a daily budget. And if we keep going down here, then it's pretty basic, the rest of the setup. So that's, in a nutshell, the problem with the boost post button is it's extremely limited. If I want to set up an ad and I want to choose my own objective, which is really important, and do everything else and customize it all, then you need to use the other method, which is the ad manager. So let's talk about how to do that. Really quick and easy, as I said. First thing we want to do is go over to your Facebook account. Just go facebook.com. You can see this is my Facebook personal account. In the menu on the left, we've got Ads Manager. If you don't see it, just click See More. That will expand the list and you'll see Ads Manager. Make sure you don't click Ads Center. That's not what we want. We want Ads Manager. So click that and that's going to open up the Facebook Ad Manager for you. Now, if this seems intimidating, don't worry. It's really, really simple. Just follow along with my steps here. And the good thing is, if you've got a post on your Facebook page, we can still absolutely use that and set that up as a boosted or promoted post through the ad manager here. So it's not like you have to recreate your ads or do anything crazy. Just follow along, bear with me, you'll see how simple this is. We're going to click over here on Create to create a campaign. Here you can see we choose our objective and you can see already how many more objectives there are. This list is huge compared to the options that we were given in the Boost Post section. Now, I've got a video on choosing the right objective, so I'll put a link to that at the top here somewhere now. You can click that if you want to go and learn how to choose the right objective. But basically, the objective you want to choose here is the thing that you want. So the thing that's mostly or most closely related to what you're looking for. So I'm going to use that post as my example, which is a link to a YouTube video. So I want traffic. I'm going to send traffic to YouTube in this situation. So I'm going to choose traffic and click continue. Now we're going to click on new ad set. From here, we simply choose website because we want to send traffic to a website, not to an app or Messenger or WhatsApp. Now we can simply go through and choose our daily budget if we want to choose a daily budget, or we can choose a lifetime budget if you want to set it up with a start and an end date. And you simply choose your start and end date. I'm going to choose daily budget and I'm just going to spend $2 a day promoting this post. Going to remove the end date, so it will just run until I come in here and turn it off. Okay, now if we go down here to the audiences section, you can see I can get really granular with this. I can set up exactly what I want. So for the example that I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to show you here. I might choose everyone who's engaged with my Facebook page or my Instagram account or visited my website. And then I'm going to go down here and exclude all of my customers. Now that gives me the exact audience I want to target that I just couldn't do using the Boost Post button. And now here I can just choose my locations. So again, I can just remove that or set whatever countries I want. Age, gender, everything is right there that you can select. You can do your interest targeting if that's how you want to set your ad up. It's all here. Now, as you can see down here, we've got the option to do manual placements if we want. And let's say we just choose Facebook. Well, even within the Facebook placement here, we can go and choose whether we want the news feed, the marketplace, video feeds, right column, or whatever we want. I'm going to leave it on automatic placements for this example. And then of course we can choose to optimize for our ad delivery. Because we chose link clicks as our objective, I can choose link clicks here because that's exactly what I want. And that's the most important thing. Again, I couldn't do that using the boosted post button. Boosted post would have gotten me something that I didn't even want in this case. However, this way I get exactly what I want. I'm getting what I'm paying for. I'm getting the value that I want from my promoted post. Okay, let's go down here to new ad now, to the ad level. We're going to set up our actual ad itself. I'm going to choose my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Now, instead of creating an ad here, all I need to do is click this drop down, choose use existing post, and I just choose the post from my Facebook page. So I click select post and you can see the post right there. I select it and I click continue and there it is. You can see the actual post is there itself. Now, I can choose my call to action, which is the learn more button. So I can change this if I want. I actually don't want to change it. I want to send people to that URL. I can click here though and change the button type. Let's make it watch more and click update post. And you can see that now is watch more. If I want to edit placements now, I can do that as well. So I can customize this so it looks different on different placements. So it would look like this in the Facebook news feed, but I can change how it looks, let's say in Facebook Marketplace or in stories or wherever I want to change it. So this one, it's longer than 120 seconds, this video, so it won't run on Instagram. But I could, if I really wanted to, create a short version of this video that's less than 2 minutes long, and I could customize the Instagram placement and have a short version that runs on Instagram. So I'm not going to do that now, but it's an option that's available through this method that's not available via Boosted Post. Now I can just select my conversion tracking here if I wanted to turn that on, and I'm done. So I've taken that post that was on my Facebook page, and instead of using Boost Post, I've come in here and turned that exact post into an ad or into a promoted post, but I've done it in a way that now I can choose the objective that I want, meaning I'm going to get the results that I want, and I can customize it, customize the targeting, and customize the ad if I want to as well. It's a much more effective way to do it. I highly recommend using this method instead of using the Boost Post method if you are going to set up and promote your posts. Much better way to do it. If you've enjoyed this video, please just give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Plus it tells me that you enjoyed the video, so I should create more like this. If you want to hear more from me on Facebook advertising, digital marketing, or growing an online course, coaching, or consulting business, make sure you hit subscribe and click the little bell to get notified whenever I release a new video. As always, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.